What if I never hear from you again?
Most men are not lazy, their brains are just hijacked. You are not losing because you are a stoic or weak. You are losing because every app in your phone is designed to farm your attention and sell it to the highest bidder. Stay with me for the next few minutes. By the end of this video, you will have a clear dopamine detox plan built for men who actually want to win, not just feel motivated for 10 minutes and then go back to scrolling. Let's keep this simple. Dopamine is this chemical that tells your brain this is what I'm doing again. The problem is you're getting dopamine from fake wins, reels, fun, endless YouTube games instead of real wins like building a body, a business, or a skill. So your brain learns a new rule. Why suffer in the gym or at the laptop when I can get the same hit from my bed with my phone in 5 seconds? That's why you feel tired, unfocused, and mentally soft even if you sleep 8 hours. Your brain is not underpowered, it is overstimulated. Wake up, check phone notifications, reels, messages, tiny dopamine hits before pressing your teeth. Throughout the day, macro scroll in every break dopamine drip. At night, junk food phone, more scroll until your eyes burn. Then he says, I don't know why I cannot focus on my goals. Of course, you cannot. You train to your brain to chase only things that are easy, fast, and free. If this sounds like you, understand. You are not broken. You are just running a system designed by tech companies, not by you. Dopamine detox is not about becoming a monk. It is about taking control back like a CEO takes control of a company that's burning cash. Here's the rules. No instant dopamine in the first 2 hours after waking. No social media, no YouTube shorts, no games, no phone. You can use your phone only for essential. Alarm, music, reading notes, etc. And second is delete or cage WhatsApp. Anything you cannot stop refreshing short form apps, games, deleting apps, either uninstall them or lock them inside app blockers with the time windows. If you need them for work, separate creator time and consumer time. Creator first. And third is replace every bad habit with a productive one. When your brain screams for reels, you go for a 10-minute walk, 10-20 push-ups, or the work block on your laptop. When it screams for fun, you leave the room and take a shower or go outside with your phone. The goal is not to feel uncomfortable, the goal is to retrain the reward system. The rule 4 is create 2 or 3 non-negotiable. Example, 45 minutes workout, 90 minutes focused work on one skill, 20 minutes reading, no dopamine junk allowed unless these are done. Non-negotiable means even on bad days. The first 7 days will feel rough. You will be bored, irritated, restless, good, that's withdrawal. Behind that pain is the version of you that actually has a chance in this world. After a couple of weeks, you will notice your attention span stretches, normal tasks feel less painful. You start getting a small real dopamine that hits from finishing work, not just from your screen. The fog in your head start clearing. This is what most men will never experience because they do rather stay comfortably distracted and temporarily uncomfortable and free. A 7-day detox is not the goal. The goal is to become the kind of man whose default state is focused and dangerous. So you build a system, weekly check in how many hours on social media versus deep work. Monthly reset 1 weekend every month with strict rules, no junk, dopamine, only reading, planning and training. Environmental design, phone outside the room when you sleep and when you work. Notifications permanently off, you are not putting fun. You are buying back your ability to build a life others men can only scroll past. If this hit you, you already know why your goals are not moving, but fixing your dopamine is only step 1. If you are in your no friends era right now and you want to know how to use that loneliness and to rebuild yourself, go watch my video The No Friends Era, Why You Need a No Your Face next. And if you are ready for full transformation, watch How to Become Unrecognizable in 90 days, where I break this down into a complete 3-month plan. Detox your brain, disappear for a while and come back as someone even your past self won't recognize. Whether we ever met or not, remember, no one is coming to save you, but you are absolutely capable of saving yourself.